Good morning, students. We have completed the multiplication of fractions. So moving on to next topic, that is division of fractions. So we will be starting with our first topic, that is division of fraction by a whole number. So before starting it, let us have an example. If you are having a piece of chocolate and if you are said that you cannot have the entire chocolate, and if I have given you half of the chocolate among the entire chocolate. Okay, so I have given you half piece of the chocolate from the complete pack, and if you see, if you can see here that this piece is 1 by half of the complete chocolate. Now if some of your friends, let us say if four of your friends, 1, 2, 3, and 4, if four of your friends come to your home and they also want a piece of chocolate from your portion of the chocolate, so you have to obviously divide your half chocolate among your four friends. So for this, what will you do? You will divide your portion of chocolate is half, you will divide that half portion of chocolate into four people. Okay. Okay, let us see. If your three of your friends have come to your home, including you, total persons are four. So what you have done, you have divided the chocolate into four parts. So from here, a question arises that how can we divide a fraction by a whole number? From here you can see 1 by 2 is a fraction and 4 is a whole number. So the question here is how to divide a fraction by a whole number. So for this, let us recall what we have studied in our previous class, that is, if you divide 2 divide by 4, so how will you write 2 divided by 4? You will write it as 2 by 4. Okay, so this can also be written as 2 into 1 by 4, right? So what we have seen here, we have seen that if you write 2 divided by 4 or if you write 2 into 1 by 4, the meaning of both these are equal. दैट इज अगर तुम लिखते हो 2 डिवाइड बाई 4 या फिर तुम लिखते हो 2 इंटू 1/4, दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. एक कैसे है, यहाँ पे तो है डिवाइड बाई 4 और यहाँ पे है इंटू 1/4. ओके, सो यू कैन सी 4 and 1 by 4 both are reciprocal of each other. So what do you mean by reciprocal? This will be our next topic. So for now, you just have to understand that 2 divided by 4 and 2 into 1 by 4 both means the same. So what will you do now? Okay, see here, if I have asked you that you have half divide by 4, so what will this means? This means that this comes out to be the portion of the chocolate that all of your friends and including you are having. Okay, so how to divide this? First of all, see, if you divide any number, there are three terms. If you divide 4 by 2, there are 2 2s are 4, we get 0. So from here you can see that 2 is our quotient, 0 is our remainder, this 2 is our divisor, you have to note down in your notebook, and this 4 is dividend. Okay, so these four things are very important, that is quotient, remainder, divisor and dividend. Based on this you can see जिस नंबर को जिससे डिवाइड किया जाता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डिवाइजर. सो फ्रॉम दिस यू कैन सी हेयर दैट हाफ डिवाइडेड बाय 4, so you can write here as that 4 is the divisor and half is the dividend. Okay, so whenever you have to apply division in fractions, what you have to do, simply you just have to do the reciprocal of the divisor. That is, you will write half as it is, you will convert division sign into multiplication, and you will write 4 as 1/4. Is that clear? what we have done, we have just changed the division sign by multiplication, and we have changed 4 into its reciprocal, that is 1 upon 4. Okay, so till now what we have done in this question, I am writing it here once again. That is, you was having a piece of chocolate and I have divided the chocolate into half, and 3 of your friends came to your home, so you have to divide the chocolate among 3 your friends, and including you, that is total 4 people are there. So what you have done, you have divided the chocolate into 4 equal parts, that is, you have divided the half of your chocolate into 4 parts. Okay, so for division of a fraction by a whole number, what you have to do, you have to convert the division sign into multiplication, because as I have told you that 2 into 1 by 4 is equals to 2 divided by 4, both means same. So we can write here that, okay, see from here that अगर division के बाद 4 है तो multiplication के बाद उसका reciprocal, that is 1 upon 4. So from here you can see, here it is division. If we change division into multiplication sign, so you have to change 4 into 1 upon 4. Okay, so now as you can see, these both are fractions, and we have learned in our previous class that how to multiply two fractions. So you can easily multiply this, because you have to multiply here numerator together and denominator together. So 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 4. What is the answer? 1 upon 8. Okay, so what is the meaning of 1 upon 8 here? 1 upon 8 means that each of you 4 person get 1 upon 8 portion of the half piece of chocolate. That is, if I divide this piece of chocolate into 4 parts, then each of the 4 children will get 1 by 8 part of the chocolate. So this was the basic method for division of fraction by a whole number. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of divisor. Okay, now moving on to next slide. So firstly you have to note down the rules of the fractions by whole number, then you have to move to the next slide. Now our next topic is reciprocal of fractions. Okay, so this is very important. If you do not know how to do reciprocal of any number, so division will be going to be very tough for you. So let us start. First point is, reciprocal means it is the one which when multiplied by the number gives 1. For example, you are having a number, and let us say you are having a number 2. If you multiply a number by its reciprocal, then result will always be equal to 1. Okay, and you have to tell me that if you multiply 2 by 1 by any number, so what should be the number be to get the answer 1? अगर 2 को किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो 1 कब मिलेगा? अगर 2 को 1 by 2 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करें, so the answer will be 1, because 2 will cancel out 2 and the answer will 1. Now there is a tip for your understanding, for your remembering, that is, tip is to find the reciprocal of any number, you just have to swap the numerator and denominator. For example, let us see, if you are having a number 3, so what should be multiplied by 3 so as to get the result 1? If we multiply 1 by 3 by 3, so result will be 1. That means 1 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3, or we can say 3 is also the reciprocal of 1 by 3. Okay, so what was our tip? Tip was, you just have to swap the numerator and denominator. If any number is given, just say we are having a number 2, if there is no denominator given, so that is obvious that denominator will be 1. Okay, so for reciprocal, what you have to do, for reciprocal you just have to swap the numerator and denominator. Swap means you have to change their position. So what you have to do to find reciprocal, here 2 was the numerator, so you have to make it denominator now, that is 2 here and 1 here. इसमें हमने क्या किया, हमने इनकी पोजीशन चेंज किया, 2/1 है तो इसको पोजीशन चेंज करके 1 और 2 की क्या हो गया 1/2. सो ये जो 1/2 है ये किसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा, 2 का. और अगर 2 है, इफ़ 2 इज़ गिवन सो वी कैन राइट 2 एज 2/1. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी that what will be the reciprocal of, I am writing it here, you have to tell me that what would be the reciprocal of 5/7. Okay, so first note down this entire method of reciprocal and both these examples, and then you have to find out the reciprocal of 5/7 and 12/6 and 4. You have to find the reciprocal of these three numbers. Now moving on to our next topic, that is division of a fraction by a fraction. Okay, our first topic was division of fraction by whole number. Now this is the second topic, that is division of a fraction by a fraction. Let us suppose you are having a piece of paper and the paper is of length, you can say you are having a piece of paper and the length of this paper is, let us suppose 29/2 centimeter. Okay, you are having a very small piece of paper and you have its length of paper is 29/2 centimeter, and out of this paper you have to cut out some shapes like this, 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, I have drawn here only 3 shapes. So what is the condition here? Condition is that the length of these shapes which have been cut out from the paper, the length here is 1/2 each. Okay, what is the condition till now? That you are having a piece of paper और उस पेपर में से तुमने डिज़ाइंस कट किए हैं जिनकी जो लेंथ है वो है 1/2 centimeter. Okay, so you have to tell me that how many such designs or shapes you can cut from that particular paper. कि उस 1/2 सेंटीमीटर 1/2 सेंटीमीटर डिज़ाइंस के कितने डिज़ाइंस तुम उस पेपर में से कट कर सकते हो, यू हैव टू टेल मी. सो फॉर दिस लेट अस सी एन एग्जाम्पल. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ चॉकलेट, if you are having a chocolate, 10 piece of chocolate if you are having, and you have to divide this chocolate among 5 of your friends. So what will you do? You have divided this 10 piece of chocolate among 5 students. This is division sign. You have divided this chocolate among 5 students. So what is the result here? That is 10/5 is 2. So that means each person of or each of your friend gets 2 portion of the chocolate. Okay, so same is the question here, that what you have to do, you have to tell that how many designs you can cut from this piece of paper. So for this what you have to do, what you have done till now, you have divided this paper into half part design. So if you divide the paper by half, you will get the number of the designs, that how many designs can be cut out. Okay, so this is again the division you can see of fraction by a fraction. So how will you solve it? As I have told you that इस अगर किसी नंबर को जिससे डिवाइड करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डिवाइज़र, और जिसको डिवाइड किया जाता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डिविडेंड. And in the case of division, I have told you, you have to replace the division sign by multiplication, and you have to do the reciprocal of divisor. So what will you do here? You have to write 29 upon 2 as it is, because 1 by 2 here is the divisor, so you have to do the reciprocal of divisor. You have replaced division sign by multiplication, and reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2 upon 1, बिकॉज 1 बाई 2 के रेसिप्रोकल के लिए हमने इसकी पोजीशन चेंज कर दी 1 और 2 की, दैट इज़ 1 बाई 2 को 2 बाई 1 लिख दिया. सो यू हैव टू राइट द रेसिप्रोकल हेयर. Okay, now as you can see that 2 to 2 cancel, what is the final result is 29. That means that out of the paper that is 29 by 2 centimeter, out of this paper these types of designs can be cut out. 29 such designs can be cut out. Okay, is that clear? So just for division of fractions you just have to change the division sign into multiplication, and you have to do the reciprocal of the divisor. That's it, and you just have to solve it further. Now moving on to another example of division of fraction by a fraction. Now in this case you are having a piece of cake, and among this piece of cake, let us suppose this is the entire cake, and this cake contains 4 portions, and out of these 4 portions, this one portion, that is this one, this single portion has been given to you. If a cake is divided into 4 parts, that means each part is 1 by 4 of the total cake. Okay, so this 1 by 4 part of the cake is given to you. Now it's up to you whether you eat the entire cake by yourself or you divide this cake to some of your friends. Now the condition is you have to divide this cake into some parts. We do not know the exact number of parts, but the condition is if you divide, this is your portion, that is I am drawing it here. So what you have to do, you have to divide your portion of cake into some certain number of parts, but the condition is that each part must be 1 by 16 of the portion you are having. Okay, what is the condition? कंडीशन है कि तुम्हारे पास पूरे केक का 1/4 पार्ट केक है. ठीक है, नाउ अब तुम्हें उस केक को, जो तुम्हारे पास पोर्शन है केक का, तुम्हें उस केक को फर्दर डिवाइड करना है कुछ पार्ट्स में. ओके, लेकिन कंडीशन क्या है? कंडीशन है कि जो तुमने डिवाइड किया केक को, अपने केक में से तुमने और छोटे टुकड़े किए उसके, तो वो जो हमें एक सिंगल पोर्शन मिलेगा डिवाइड करने के बाद, वो जो पोर्शन है वो 1/16 पोर्शन है. किसका? जो पोर्शन तुम्हारे पास था उसका. तो तुम्हें ये बताना है. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल दैट हाउ मैनी सच पोर्शन ऑफ केक कैन यू डिवाइड. क्वेश्चन एक बार दोबारा सुनो. क्वेश्चन है कि तुम्हारे पास एक केक है, यू आर हैविंग ए केक, उसके 4 पार्ट हैं. एक पार्ट तुम्हें दिया गया है, दैट मीन्स दिस पार्ट इज़ 1/4 ऑफ टोटल केक. नाउ दिस इज़ द पार्ट यू आर हैविंग. अब तुमने इस केक के कई पार्टीशन कर दिए. यू डोंट नो हाउ मैनी पार्टीशन यू आर डूइंग, बट द कंडीशन इज़ कि जो सिंगल पार्टीशन होगा डिवाइड करने के बाद वो कितना है? 1/16. 1/16 किसका? जो तुम्हारे पास टोटल केक है उसका 1/16. ओके, सो यू हैव टू टेल कि कितने पार्ट में तुमने उस 1/4 केक को डिवाइड किया. क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर? नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू सॉल्यूशन. व्हाट यू हैव डन, condition is you must have each slice must have 1/16th portion. ओके, सो कितने पोर्शन होंगे उस केक के हमें नहीं पता कितने हैं. 1 है, 2, 3, कितने हैं नहीं पता. सो लेट अस सपोज दैट टोटल पोर्शन वी हैव डिवाइडेड इज x. सो इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई 1 portion by total portion you will get the entire portion. Let us see, if you are having this portion and this is 1/4 and total are 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you multiply 1/4 by 4, what will you get? 1. That is complete cake. So similar is the case here. We have multiplied 1/6/x, बिकॉज अगर 1/16 को x से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो हमारे पास पूरा पोर्शन आ जाएगा जितना हमारे पास था. हमारे पास कितना था? 1/4. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड, यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, कि हमने उसको कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. देयर इज़ वन थिंग टू रिमेंबर, दिस इज़ नोन एज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड दिस इज़ नोन एज राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, इफ़ you are having multiplication sign on left hand side of the is equal to sign, or you can say equation, so what is the basic rule, that if this 16 come to this side, then this multiplication sign will become division sign. Okay, if this 16 come to this side, then this multiplication sign will become division sign. How? You can write it here, x is equals to 1/4, because 16 यहाँ से इधर आ गया तो क्या बन गया? डिवीजन. So we can write here division 1/16. Now this is again you can see this is the division of two fractions. So for what we have to do, we have to replace division sign by multiplication, and you have to replace 1/16 by its reciprocal. So what will be the reciprocal of 1/16? It will be 16 divided by 1. So now you can see the 16 come in the table of 4, that is 4 4s are 16. So our answer is 4. That means that you have divided that 1/4th portion of cake into 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 and 4, such that each part is 1/16th. Okay, so this was the basic of how to divide a fraction by a whole number or by a fraction. So you just have to replace the division by multiplication, and you just have to do the reciprocal of the divisor, and you just have to again solve the multiplication of fraction. So that's it. Based on this method you have to solve your exercise questions, and if you are having any doubt in regarding the concept of division of fraction, you can ask me. And thank you.